Hello friends, I am Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we will learn watercolor painting. See here a lady with a goat. At first we will complete her skin color. Here we have to use yellow ochre and crimson lake. See uh, when you will apply the skin tone, you should observe the light and shadow. See, everywhere I am not using the color. Just you have to catch the light. See how I am applying the color. At first, you have to complete the shadow area. Then you can spread the color or transparent the color with this color. Okay, so at first we have to complete her skin tone properly. After that we can go her sari. Okay, so now see here I'm using same color, yellow ochre and crimson lake. It's better when you will apply the color, at that time you should take a tester pad. If you taste the color then apply, then it's better. Okay, so see now our first tone is almost completed. Okay friends, now we can start the sari color. See here I am using crimson lake and little bit purple color. So at first we have to complete the first tone properly. After that we can go to second tone. When we will start the first tone, at that time we should observe the light areas. Okay, in this way we will complete whole sari. Now we have to complete the blouse with yellow ochre and little bit purple, and here chrome yellow, brown sienna, and here we will do a deep purple color with crimson lake and little bit purple and brown. Okay, now we'll complete the hair with brown and cobalt blue or ultramarine blue. Okay, friends, now we can go to the second tone. Already our first tone is completed. When we'll apply the second tone, just we have to focus the dark area. Okay, see the dark areas, and also you have to fill the color. Okay, now I will not say anything, just you have to observe the video. Okay, after completing the lady, we can go to the goat. See, almost our lady is completed. Now just you have to complete the detailing. See here I am showing only the figure. Okay, and how you have to complete the figure, just I have shown the figure color, and you'll do the background. At first you have to complete the lady. After completing the lady, we can go to the goat. Okay, and see here I'm using brown sienna, little bit crimson lake and ultramarine blue. Okay, just try to find out the deep areas. Okay, now almost our second tone also completed, and see the lady with a bucket with straw, and here a goat. So see here almost we took 5 minutes time for the lady And now we can go to the goat. See here I'm applying the brand Sina and ultimate blue and little bit yellow color also. See, at first you have to complete the middle tone properly. After completing the middle tone, you can do more detailing. See the detailing, and when you will apply at that time also you have to focus light and depth areas. Okay, so this is our watercolor painting, and you have to complete the background in yourself. Okay friends, now I want to know about you. If you learn painting, you can show your work to your drawing teacher, and if you don't learn, if you want to learn painting, so you can contact with me. Here the canvas, I'm teacher Swapun Pal. I'm taking online and offline both classes for junior and senior. Both can take the classes from me, and I suggest all of you that if you want to learn painting, so you should practice more and more. Okay, now friends, our painting almost completed. Now okay all of you, bye.